Today I want to talk about advertising companies. So far I've used Angie Leads, Yelp, and AdIQ. I made the mistake of diversifying in too many ad agencies this year. I was just getting my taxes ready for write-offs. I was like, I spent a lot of money in ads. So I'm here to help you guys save some time. These are my opinions. This is no dog on any advertising agency. These are my overall experience with each one. So to start out, Angie Leads. So I kind of like the idea at first. They get the leads, the more willing customers to commit. But then you have other contractors fighting over those leads, and either way you pay a fee. And the fees in my area, I guess it's based off area, but they were so high. It was like $15, $20 a lead. So I got maybe a handful of jobs, and I got to look it up again. I don't have my phone with me. I'm using it to record, but I spent a lot of money on those. And, they say it was the more committed customer, but I got so many no answers. So Angie Leads, I'll throw a number right here on the screen when I find out how much it actually was. But, that was for one dumpster too. So, not going to use Angie Leads anymore. I terminated that. So then I used Yelp ads. So Yelp, that you kind of pay for the amount of clicks you get. They have a built-in thing too where customers can send you a quote or send in for a quote. Had a good amount of those, definitely not enough, but I don't really like these click-based advertisement companies because I had like this, even with like a $300 a month, it just wasn't paying for itself. And the last one's AdIQ. I still use this. It's the cheapest one I have. It's $125 a month. And so what they kind of do is they make a couple different websites based off the one you have, and then each one has a link to your actual website. So it's kind of giving you 4 websites for the price of one. And how they do it, they give you a phone number that for you so they can keep track of their calls. And I've gotten a good amount through there. Since winter season's slowing down, that's the only one I have going right now. And overall, it's the best one. Still, not the greatest, I'm sure, but so I'm looking into Google Ads starting in the spring or Facebook. Please, if you're a dumpster rental company like me, let me know what works for you. I think I'm going to I was watching one person on TikTok, I forget her name, but she said to make your posts more personalized on Facebook. Be like, because a lot of mistakes, I did this too, dumpster rental companies make is they take a picture of the dumpster, they put a price on it, and they say, come and get it. And, she was straight up like, no one cares about that, which I thought was like probably true. But, when you're like, hey, you got to clean out your garage, or you're looking for a winter project, or moving houses, the old owner left some stuff, when the customer can relate to a life event that they're currently going through, they're probably more willing to commit. So, and there's just an overall lack of communication sometimes with the dumpster rental company and the customer, because apparently a lot of customers think that's only for construction, or, can't do it now because it's the winter. But I think part of it is the customer has to be educated. So yeah, please leave a comment down below of what ad agency you use. Really open to ideas. Check out my other videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.